Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Jonathan Coast, and in today's free training, I'm going to be talking about an open AI product called Chat GPT. And this thing is extremely impressive, and I just had to create a video about this ahead of the rest of my videos because this thing can create content for your business. If you're in marketing, or if you're no matter what your niche is, whether it be underwater basket weaving, you can be in the bodybuilding and the health and fitness niche, no matter what your topic or subject that you're talking about, if you need to create fast and interesting, fascinating, and intriguing articles quickly for your business, or just for your website to put it out as a promotion piece for an advertorial or a social media caption, or you need to create content for your email marketing sequence for your email list, then if you use this software, you can create interesting articles. So I'm going to show you how to use the software and different interesting examples that you can take a look at. Like, for an example, if you click on Discord and you just go into like Chat GPT Examples on the left hand side, it'll show you this put create a plot for a brand new TV series that takes place in 2025 after a new brain computer interface emerges and people end up getting this implanted in their brain, and how this could change society as we know it. And then instantly, what ChatGPT did is create this article. In the year 2025, a new brain computer interface, BCI, called Neuralink is developed. This technology allows users to connect directly to the internet with their thoughts, giving them instant access to information and the ability to communicate with others telepathically. The initial excitement over the new technology quickly turns to concern as the implications of having a device implanted in the brain becomes dear. Some people experience side effects from the implant, such as headaches and dizziness, while others become addicted to the constant stream of information available through the BCI, which I imagine is probably stands for brain computer interface. As more and more people get the Neuralink implant, society begins to split into two groups, those with the implant and those without. The Neuralinkers gain an unfair advantage in the job market and in everyday life, leading to resentment and discrimination against those who do not have the implant. So the series follows a group of friends who are among the first to get the Neuralink implant, and at first they revel in the new abilities and opportunities it brings them. But as they begin to experience the downsides of the technology and the consequences of their actions, they must decide whether the benefits of Neuralink are worth the potential cost of their relationship, their humanity, and their society as a whole. So you see how useful and almost indistinguishable from actual current human content marketing this is, and how creative and instant it can be and useful for your business. Now, this is just an example. If you click on like Chat GPT Examples in their Discord server, but if you go to the actual software itself, I actually put in a prompt myself. So how to use Chat GPT to create content for business. And immediately it created this. Number one, choose the model, with the GPT model that is appropriate for your needs. The larger GPT-3 model, GPT-3 175B, is capable of generating high quality content, but it may be overkill for some business needs. If you are not sure which model to use, you can start with the smaller model and upgrade later if necessary. Number two, train your GPT-3 model on a large data set of relevant content. This will help the model learn the style and tone of your content that you're trying to generate. You can use a combination of your own business content as well as publicly available content for sources like news articles and blog posts. Number three, use the GPT-3 API to generate content for your business. You can use prompts and constraints to guide the model in generating content that is on topic and meets your business goals. For example, you can use a prompt like write a blog post about the benefits of using our product, and constrain the model to generate content that is no longer than 500 words. Number four, review the content generated by the GPT-3 model and make any necessary edits. Although GPT-3 can generate high quality content, it is not perfect and may require some manual editing to ensure that it is accurate and meets your business needs. Overall, using GPT-3 to create content for businesses can save time and effort compared to manually writing content, and can help you generate a large volume of content quickly and easily. So you see just how interesting and useful and almost game changing this is. And from what I've heard, this is actually taking a lot of game journalists out of business and have a lot of artists scared as well, just artificial intelligence in general. So Chat GPT is a little game changer for me and a lot of my friends in businesses, and it's really important that we take advantage of this information now and use it for the rest of our marketing efforts, especially when it comes to stuff like email marketing, creating advertisements, creating content or descriptions for your YouTube videos. You can pretty much use this thing for anything. So this is basically the dashboard right here. So when you create an account, is you just basically go to chat.openai.com, and then they're going to ask you to put your phone number in. They'll give you options on where to sign up, whether it be Google or Microsoft, and you just pick your option. They'll say tell me a little bit more about yourself. You put your first and your last name in, and then it's going to ask you to verify your phone number. They're going to send you a code. So they don't accept virtual phone numbers like text now or Google Voice. You have to put like a physical phone number in. And once you verify your code after they send you the code, it'll take you to this dashboard here, and you can put any type of prompt that you want. And they have different examples in here, and it'll tell you like what the capabilities are, what the limitations are. And then if you need like any frequently asked questions or updates, you can go on the left hand side here. They even got the Discord server, which I'll leave in the description below, along with the Chrome extension that you can install to give you like the Chat GPT's answers and their generated responses next to your Google search results. And Google just like recently updated that Chrome extension and released it recently today, I believe. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that in the description as well. But yeah, once you create an account, you come to this dashboard here, Chat GPT, and you put your generated responses in. And these are some good examples, like explain quantum computing in simple terms. Got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday? How do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? And it'll literally instantly generate. Sometimes it takes a little long to load, depending on the buffering. And I believe like on the app version that you have on your phone, it has a queue, so it takes a little long, especially depending on what type of response you put it in there. But as you can see earlier, I put in how to create content for businesses, and then it generated that instant response for like 4 bullet points, and it even had a summary at the end that was like almost indistinguishable from if a human wrote it or not. So it was really good, and I highly recommend that you check this out. I'll leave all of this information in the description, including the Discord server, the website, and any type of additional information that you'll need or resources such as like the Chrome extension. All right, so yeah, that'll pretty much be it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like content like this, then I highly recommend that you check out my website in the description, jonathancoast.net. I talk about everything when it comes to increasing traffic and generating more sales. And also be sure to check out the tools and the resources below in the description. I have all the stuff that I talked about in this video, each website. And so with that said, I will see you in the next video.